This is my first full setup video of 2026, and this room has slowly become my favorite place to be. It's where I game, create, and spend most of my time, so today I'm finally giving you a full tour. You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. We're going to start on this side of the room and save the gaming setup for last. Right here is my TV area. I recently picked up the TCL 55-inch F35 series 4K Fire TV. Not only is it great for casual watching TV shows and movies, but I also have my PlayStation 5 connected and it handles 4K gaming really well. I use my PS5 mostly for casual or story-based games, and I leave my PC for more competitive everyday gaming. I also added the Govee TV backlight kit, which really helps bring some ambient lighting to this area. Under the TV, I have a sit-stand desk from Amazon, and this desk mainly serves as my unboxing area. I also added a Govee LED floor lamp here to bring in more color and depth. Next to that is my turtle area. Nothing too crazy here. I've got a turtle wall decor and a bit more RGB lighting just to add some personality and detail. Across from the TV is my bed. Pretty simple setup, full-size bed. Both the mattress and the bed frame are from Amazon. Over here I've got a custom neon sign with my gaming online handle, some shelves, and a poster. The nightstand is also from Amazon, and on it I keep my essentials: a Google Nest hub, a 3-in-1 wireless charging stand, and a small LED light I received as a holiday gift. Next to that is my music section. I have my record player sitting on this vinyl stand with some of my vinyls both on the wall and stored underneath. Quick side note, I recently learned that the suitcase style record players aren't the best, so that's definitely something I'll be upgrading soon. Also in this area is my 2 new automatic trash can. I've had this thing for about 7 years and it still works perfectly. Now it's time to talk about the setup. Before we get into the desk itself, I want to mention the pegboard. This is the white IKEA pegboard, and I've set this up to function as both decoration and a charging station for all of my tech gadgets. Now for the actual desk. This is the classic IKEA desk setup. 2 white Atlas drawers, on each drawer 4-inch desk risers, and the desktop is the IKEA Thalgen countertop. I've been running this configuration for about 5 years, and I still love it just as much as day one. It's held up really well over time, and the only change I see myself making in the future is possibly adding sit-stand legs to the desktop. On the desk, I try to keep things pretty simple. I have a portable monitor that's connected to my Xbox Series S underneath the desk. The mic and mic arm are both from Fifine, not sponsored by the way. The mic is the Fifine AM8, and I've been using it for about a month now with 0 complaints. It sounds really good, supports USB-C and XLR, and as a bonus it even has RGB. My desk speakers are the Sanyon speakers from Amazon. I also have an Elgato Stream Deck Plus, which is also a recent pickup, and I've been loving it so far. The mouse pad is just a simple leather desk mat. For the mouse, I'm using the Razer Viper Ultimate. The keyboard is just a basic keyboard with some custom keycaps. I decided not to get an expensive gaming keyboard since I mostly play on controller. Speaking of controllers, I use the Xbox Elite Series 2 for pretty much all of my gaming. For my stacked monitor setup, I'm using a Vivo monitor mount. My main monitor is the Karoo 1440p 240Hz gaming monitor, which is what I do all of my gaming on, and the secondary monitor is an Acer 1440p 140Hz gaming monitor. For lighting, I'm using 2 Relino key lights along with more Govee RGB lighting, including the neon rope lights and the hexagon light panels. And finally, my gaming PC. Quick specs, it has an Intel i7-14700K, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD. The fans are the AsiaHorse RGB fans. The cooler is the Thermalright RTX CPU. For the graphics card, I'm using the Aero 5070 White Edition, and the case is the NZXT H7 Flow. Throughout the room, I also added some fake plants and small decor pieces I picked up from various home decor stores to help this space feel complete. And that's my 2026 room and gaming setup. This space is still evolving, but I'm really happy with how it turned out so far. If you enjoyed this video or got some inspiration from it, I really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more setup upgrades, tech videos, and content planned for this year. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the setup is or what you'll change. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.